Hola, amigos. Aquí está Señora Mueller way down here. See me? Oh, wait, we're going to keep practicing our Numeros. You've already practiced uno, dos, tres. Show me if you're not already with your fingers. Cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. And we've done once, doce, trece, catorce, quince. Say, that's the say group. I like to call them the say group. I'm the only one that probably does. Anyway, we're going on. So if we go next, we have diez y seis, diez y siete, diez y ocho, diez y nueve, and veinte. If we don't include veinte, what do all of these have in common? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? I hope so. I'm thinking they all have diez in common. They say diez, 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 diez. Point on the screen where you've already seen diez. Where do you know diez is already there, not highlighted yet? Point to it. Look at, there's diez. Diez, show me what diez with your fingers. There's diez. When we say diez for this group, we still show diez. Diez. What else do those all have the same in common? Diez y seis, diez y siete, diez y ocho, diez y nueve. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Say it. What do they all have the same? What else do they all say? E, 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 E. The E is like the glue. It's going to glue diez, E, and then whatever's left. So if we've got diez already used up, diez, like looking at the number, you see diez. What number stands for diez in these numbers, these digits? This right here, the uno. That uno counts for diez. Crazy cool is that? That uno only shows an uno, but it counts for diez because what happens is you have diez and then you have whatever's left over. In this case, what do I have left over? I have seis, seis. This seis is the same as this seis is the same as this seis. So when we say seis, you still show me seis. This one, siete. Ocho, say ocho, nueve, nueve. Do we say diez again? No, because we would go past. If we said diez again, then we end up over here, and that doesn't make any sense. So let's take this and look at it another way. In English, if I have 10 and I have 6, how many do I have all together? If I have 10 and I have 6, what do I have? Let's see. Let me get this thing out of the way. If I have 10 and I have 6, and all together, if you do that math problem, what do you have? Did you say 16? I hope you did. Let's switch gears. Now, what if we wanted to do this in Spanish? If I want to say this number, but I want to say it in Spanish, we just practice it. This number is diez, right? Diez. Say diez. Show me diez. Now let's fly over here. And if I want to say that number and I want to say it in Espanol, seis, seis. And if we want to glue them together, we've got this little letter, but we know in Spanish it's a sneaky one. It says a tricky sound. Say E. So we glue diez, E, seis. Excelente. Whoa, way to go. Now, I don't know why that one didn't say what I wanted it to say. That's okay. So, diez y seis, diez y siete, diez y ocho, diez y nueve. Levántanse conmigo. We're going to dance this out. So, down below, show me diez. Say diez. Y seis. Shoot it up high. When you say seis, show me seis. Diez y siete. Diez y ocho, diez y nueve. And then we get to veinte. Excelente. Nice job, amigos. So if you could, levántanse. I'm going to leave, but I want you to practice counting from uno all the way to veinte. Who thinks they can do it? If you think you can do it, raise your hand, share with your teacher, uno all the way to 20. I'm going to get this out of here and you're going to try it without me. You got it. You can do it. 16, 17, 18, 19.